The best webinar I ever watched made one huge mistake. It taught so much that nobody bought. The presenter was brilliant. The content was genuinely useful. The offer made sense. But she made the classic expert mistake. She taught everything, every framework, every step, every detail, laid out perfectly. And the audience left motivated and impressed, but still missing the one shift they needed to actually say yes. Because information doesn't create buyers. Belief shifts do. Here's what I consistently see with coaches and consultants who come into my world. They've invested in a webinar platform. They've downloaded presentation templates. They've studied webinar scripts from every guru with a course on it. And they're still sitting in full Zoom rooms wondering why nobody bought. So they start questioning everything. Maybe my audience isn't ready to invest. Maybe my niche doesn't buy from webinars. Maybe I just need more trust first. Here's what's actually happening. Your audience walked into that webinar carrying a suitcase full of wrong beliefs about their problem, their past failures, and whether your solution could actually work for someone like them. Most webinars never unpack that suitcase. They teach, they pitch, and the audience leaves informed but unconvinced. That is not a webinar problem. That's a belief sequence problem. Here's the belief I want to dismantle today. The more you teach in your webinar, the more people will buy. It doesn't. And here's why. Information adds knowledge. Light bulb triggers change what your audience believes. And people don't buy because of knowledge. They buy because of psychological turning points. When you pack your masterclass full of teaching, you create something that motivates your audience but doesn't create the shifts they need to say yes to your offer. They leave thinking, wow, she knows her stuff. But they still don't feel ready to act. That readiness is created through belief shifts. The webinars that sell well don't teach more. They shift more. This is exactly what the voltage funnel is designed to do. A voltage funnel is an educational sales event, like a webinar, masterclass, workshop, or live challenge, engineered to move warm leads through the 5 belief shifts they need before they buy. These are 5 specific psychological shifts your audience needs to experience before they're ready to buy, and they happen in a specific order, each one building on the last. First, the problem reframe. They realize their real problem isn't what they thought. Second, the false belief breakdown. They understand why past attempts failed without making it mean something is wrong with them. Third, the new possibility. They see a better path they didn't know existed. Fourth, the method distinction. They understand why your approach is different from what they've already tried. Fifth, the personal proof bridge. They can finally see themselves getting the result too. When those 5 switches flip, the pitch stops feeling like pressure and starts feeling like the obvious next step. But even with the right belief sequence, there's one more mistake that can flatten conversions. They assume one type of container or funnel fits every situation. They assume that a webinar is always the right funnel to use. It's not. There are 3 different containers depending on where your audience is and what you're selling. The first container is the webinar. It's 60 to 90 minutes and gives you the fastest path to an offer. It works best for warm audiences with a clear problem, especially when you're selling mid-ticket to high-ticket offers. It's sharp, focused, belief shifting, and works beautifully for evergreen. The challenge is the second container. It's 3 to 5 days and works best for colder or newer audiences who need more time, trust, and momentum before they're ready to buy. It has high engagement, creates strong identity shifts, and is perfect for higher ticket programs that require a bigger decision. The workshop is the third container. It's 90 to 120 minutes hands-on and implementation focused. It's great for audiences who need to feel a result before they buy. You give them a genuine win and bridge that win into the offer during the workshop. The wrong container with the right content will still underperform. If your warm audience needs 60 minutes of focused belief shifting, a 5-day challenge can burn them out. And if your cold audience needs several days of relationship building and trust, a 60-minute webinar can leave them skeptical. The container choice is a strategy decision, not a preference. If you're realizing your webinar may not need more content, more slides, or a better pitch, but the right funnel, container, and belief sequence, that's exactly what I teach inside my free 5 Proven Funnels Masterclass. I'll walk you through all 5 funnel types, how to know which container fits your audience right now, and how to structure an event that shifts beliefs before you pitch, so the offer feels like the natural next step. Comment funnels below and I'll send it to you directly.